What's up, guys? Kyle here with Crypto Theory. All right, we are talking Binance Coin today. This has been a very, very popular topic in the discussions, in the comment section. You guys really want to know a little bit about my thoughts on this project? Well, we're going to give them to you. So before we jump in, really excited about this, very bullish on this project. I'll just let you know right now, very bullish on this project. Obviously, who isn't at this point? I mean, this thing is absolutely skyrocketed this year, just in the calendar year, okay, in these last 3 to 4 months. Absolutely crazy, okay, and we're going to dive into that here in just a second. Before we do that, guys, make sure to smash that like button. If you like what we talk about on here, you like crypto, you like Binance Coin, let us know by smashing that like button. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on those notifications. We're dropping videos every single day. We are getting so close to that 5,000 subscriber mark. We have you guys to thank for that, so thank you very much for that. Also, one last thing, and then we're going to jump right into it. Guys, make sure to, hey, we got a new follower right there. There you go. Hop on over to Crypto Theory here at on our Facebook page, and then also we have a group, Tales from the Crypto, right there. You can hop on there. If you want to. We're building a great community on there. Lots of people starting to join that and everything. Very excited about that. So, guys, make sure to check those out. With that being said, let's jump in. Let's talk Binance Coin. So, obviously, ranked number 3 right now. We're going to show you why here in just a second. $576. And when you see where this came from, guys, literally just earlier this year, when you see where this came from to where it's at now, absolutely incredible. Okay, $89 million or not million, 89 billion with a B market cap right now. 24-hour trading volume, 3.5 billion basically. 170 million circulating, or max supply, 154 circulating right now. So, you know, kind of going through all that stuff right there. But let's jump right down and let's get right down into the nitty gritty right here. Okay, so let's go to the chart for all time for this. So this came about back in 2017, as you can see, and excuse me, you know, really never really rose much above like 30, 35 bucks, somewhere in there. And then look at what happened this year. Okay, so here is January, basically beginning of January right here. We're sitting right about 40 bucks, okay? And then all of a sudden, boom, look at that huge run up right there. Pulls back, starts to go a little bit, pulls back again, and then literally since about a month ago, I mean, just in the last month, it's basically doubled itself in price, okay? You can see in the last 30 days, it's up 115%. Absolutely on a tear. The last year, it's up 3,400%, okay? So, I mean, this thing is just absolutely skyrocketing right now, really not showing any signs of slowing down, and I'm going to show you why I am still so bullish on this project moving forward. You know, this is something, sadly, I didn't have a lot of this in my portfolio, really. Actually, beginning of the year, I didn't really have any of this in my portfolio. I started to accumulate just a little bit, but as of recently, I've actually been buying a little bit more of this, and for good reason, okay? This is one of those projects, you know what, there's certain projects, you never want to FOMO into something, okay? And we talk about that all the time on this channel. You don't want to FOMO into something. You don't want to buy at all-time highs. But there's certain projects where, you know what, you don't want to completely miss the boat on it, even if you miss the massive gains right there, okay, or you didn't have a strong enough position in it where you really felt like you got these huge gains. You still want to be a part of it. You know, you still want to at least get something, because I do think that this still has a ton of potential moving forward and could still bring massive gains further into the year. So I strengthened my position recently on it. I didn't buy it at an all-time high or anything like that, but, you know, I certainly didn't get it at as low as I would have liked to have, obviously. Okay, but you know, still one of those projects when you know, when the opportunity was there, you know what, I wanted to scoop up a little bit more of it. Not professional financial advice. I'm not saying that you guys should do that. That was just kind of what I did. So let's dive in and talk about a little bit, why am I so bullish on this project? First and foremost, it's the native token of the Binance exchange. Okay, so anybody that doesn't know what Binance is, it's the world's largest crypto exchange. If you're brand new to crypto, if you've been in crypto for a while, you know Binance. Everybody knows Binance. Unless you live under a rock, you probably know Binance. If you are brand new to crypto, get to know Binance, because this is the Mac Daddy. This is the biggest exchange out there. This is larger than Coinbase. Okay, that should tell you something right there. Huge exchange. You can see right there. Join the world's largest crypto exchange. Like I said, BNB, Binance Coin, is their native token. You can see it right there. It's talking about the price of it, 24-hour change. Let's go back on here real quick, because this is actually going to break it down a lot simpler for you guys right here. So what is Binance Coin? Okay, so it was created by Binance, initially created on the Ethereum blockchain. It migrated over to the Binance excuse me, Binance chain in February 2019 and became the native token of the Binance chain. Okay, Binance Coin has seen massive growth and interest throughout the year. Several rounds of token burn events, which we're going to talk about just in just a second, have pushed it into the top 10. Okay, so why am I so bullish on this project as a whole? Well, let's talk a little bit about a couple of different reasons. First and foremost, right here, you can see, and this is from a couple weeks ago, but upcoming BNB token burning pushes Binance Coin to new all-time high of 546. Okay, 13 times gains in 2021. Okay, so you can see right here, basically when they burn coins, they're taking coins out of circulation forever. Okay, so this is something that does happen in crypto. It's taking it out of circulation forever. What's that going to do? It's going to increase the value of the remaining coins, because guess what? There's less supply that's available. Okay, so as there's less supply, as you've seen with Bitcoin, when there's not a lot of something, it becomes more and more valuable if people see the use case and the reason for getting it. Obviously, with Binance being the Mac Daddy of them all in terms of exchanges, this is going to be a very, very hot token to get your hands on regardless, because this is the native token of that exchange and of the Binance Smart Chain. And as they burn coins, it's only going to make those ones more valuable that they have. So that's one of the reasons right there, the coin burn. And then also the other thing I want to talk about right here, and again, this is from a couple weeks ago right here, dealing with Coinbase being listed as a publicly traded company. Okay, so dealing with the Coinbase IPO, what does that do? Well, first and foremost, that brings a brand new crop of people into the crypto space. Okay, people that were on the fence as to whether they should get in crypto, people maybe not even knowing what crypto was, all of a sudden now are exposed to it through the Coinbase IPO and starting to get interested in it. What is the first thing that they're going to do? They're going to start researching big projects. Obviously, BNB being in the top 5 and really in the top 3 is going to come up to a lot of them, because most of the people that are investing in the stock market or traditional investing are probably going to go the safer route. They're going to go with those top 5, top 10 projects because they view those as kind of a safe haven. Now, the other thing that this does is it brings about more awareness to other exchanges. Okay, so we started to see a lot of native exchange tokens really start to gain some momentum. KuCoin had a nice run there for a little while. Their coin. Binance Coin obviously absolutely crushing it. I expect we're going to see the crypto.com coin really have a very, very bullish second half of the year. I really think that's going to kind of be the next one to pop off for it. But, as we go down through here, you can see they start just kind of talking about, how one of the biggest benefactors was the competitor platform utility token Binance Coin, okay, along with other similar coins offered by exchanges. And then they start talking about here's why there's such interest and demand for the platforms themselves. And it basically says revaluation for the whole, it causes the revaluation for the whole segment to go higher, meaning not only crypto in general, but also these exchanges and these exchange tokens, okay? So, very, very interesting stuff. Very bullish news right there. I believe, Binance Coin is just getting started of where it could potentially go. The thing is, this thing has defied all logic this year, okay? I don't think anybody was calling for this to be at, almost $600 at this point of the year, but here we are. Starting the year at, what I say, about $40, somewhere in there, I think it was. Yeah, right about $40. Now all of a sudden here we are on the cusp of 600. Absolutely incredible. And I don't think it's going to slow down anytime soon. So, guys, if you like this video right here and you want to hear more about Binance Coin, because I'm very bullish on this project. Like I said, I've been buying up more of it recently because, again, I don't want to FOMO into anything, but at the same time, there's certain projects I believe personally, not financial advice, I believe personally that this is just getting started. I think it's got a lot of legs for the rest of the bull run, and I'm excited to see where this goes. If you guys want a price prediction, I'm not going to give one in this because, again, this has been a very difficult one to kind of get a grasp on where this is going, because it has been defying all logic. Depending on how large the market ends up getting could determine a lot. Because it is a higher cap coin to begin with, there's room for it to grow. It's just how high can it go, and a lot of that will depend on how high Bitcoin goes, how high Ethereum goes, and how high the overall total market cap of the entire crypto market goes. So if you want a full-on price prediction, guys, definitely let me know, and we can do a follow-up video to this. We'll dive a little bit deeper into that and really try to get an analysis for it. But this is one of those rare instances where I don't have a great feel for where this price could go. I have some inklings of where I think it could end up at, but it's one of those. It's just been such a crazy run up here these first few months. I mean, anything's possible. Anything really could happen, and I just want to be along for the ride on this one because it's going to be one heck of a ride. So, as is all of crypto, really. So, guys, with that being said, let us know in the comments below. Do you have some BNB? Are you thinking of getting some BNB? Let us know. With that being said, guys, have a great rest of your day. We'll catch you in the next one.